Model, 2011 VAUXHALL Vivaro long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI van 2.9 T-body, white, panel van mileage, last MOT is 136,245 miles on the MOT engine, 1,995 CCM9R, 90 bhpb transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. MAF sensor will need replacing, very easy and simple fix. Dashboard instrumental is broken, will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is below average. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI.